If you've recently encountered security checks on Facebook and lost access to your account, follow these steps to restore full access. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Verify your identity. Visit the Facebook login page and enter your credentials. If prompted for security checks, follow the instructions to verify your identity. This may include confirming your email address or phone number. Step 2. Follow security check instructions. Once you have verified your identity, Facebook will provide specific instructions to complete the security checks. Carefully read and follow these steps to ensure you are compliant with their requirements. Step 3. Review account recovery options. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Submit an appeal. If your account remains locked after following the recovery options, you can submit an appeal to Facebook. Provide any necessary information that may help verify your identity, including identification documents if requested. Step 5. Monitor your email for updates. After submitting your appeal, keep an eye on your email for any updates from Facebook regarding your account status. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder as well, as important messages may end up there. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Facebook account. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Facebook support for further assistance.